So non-Muslims of the world, tell me, why today, 25 April, why the sun is giving the heat, a lot of heat, and why the weather is not transformed into cold weather like yesterday? When I started a series, Weather Transformation of Lahore, and I recited Holy Quran, and I asked the help from Allah, and I claimed in the morning that it will happen, and it happened yesterday. At the night, I made a series, The Moon God, and Allah demonstrated a sign, and in the early morning today, I made another series because Allah demonstrated another sign, the Sun God series published. Three series published, and now no cold weather, no hot weather transform into cold now. Why? Why not? Let me show you the condition of the weather. This is giving a lot of heat right now. No army of black cloud, no army of white cloud, nothing like that yesterday. Why? Because before that days, look at the moon as clearly, okay? Nothing happens without the permission of Allah. Your fabricated gods are controlling nothing in this universe. Every single thing is controlled by Allah. Allahu Akbar. So why clouds could not come by themselves? If the nature system is working by itself. You're atheists who claim there is no God. They are liars. You who call that Jesus is controlling the system. Jesus is God. Yahweh is God. Vishnu is God. Krishna is God. None of them are God. Only Allah is God. Allah is the creator of universe. And yesterday was a miracle. I clearly stated that in the morning. If Allah will, it will happen, and it happened. Today I did not do anything. I did not try that. And today the weather is hot. Before yesterday weather was hot. Today weather is hot. Then how did it was transformed into cold weather suddenly? And media reported as well. Media has reported about the event that they experience better weather today early in the morning, because that was also an effect of the yesterday. And at the night Allah did something with me. I experienced very cool breeze, and they experienced hot wave. They experienced hot air. Media also reported that. These are the signs happening in the 21st century of modern science technology. One person on the earth, and the changes in the sun, and the changes in the air, and the changes in the weather of a city. Your Elon Musk cannot do that. You cannot do this. None of you can do this. You more than 6 billion non-Muslims cannot do this. If you all together join for this against me, you will not be able to do it. Because I did it for proving truth of Islam, for proving existence of Allah and the truth of the last prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the truth of the Holy Quran. Come to Islam and don't be arrogant. Don't be arrogant. This is the spiritual slap from Allah on you who say the nature transform by itself. Why the nature system is not working like yesterday? Because Allah did not do this. He is the sole sovereign authority of the entire universe. Let me show you some other side. Allahu Akbar. No system works without His permission. No cloud can appear without His permission. And yesterday was a clear, observable miracle in the modern era of science. Tell your children, tell your media, tell your people, come to Islam, otherwise the punishment of Allah is ready for all the disbelievers. Allahu Akbar.